there's trouble poolside. The nasty villain Surge is at it again, wearing down and damaging anything and everything in his wake. You may have surge protectors for your indoor electronics, but meanwhile, your expensive pool and spa pumps, lights, heaters, and automation systems are sitting ducks.
Don't they deserve protection too? Danger lurks in all directions. Storms, power disruption.
Utility company grid switching. They even come from inside the home. Anytime an electric pump or appliance kicks on, a nasty surge emerges. And the manufacturer warranty?
Check the fine print.
Surges aren't covered.
And good luck getting them on the phone.
Can't anything save your expensive pool equipment in distress? Never fear. The Intermatic PS3000 is here. The PS3000 valiantly takes on the evil Surge and tirelessly defends your pool against his reign of terror. Left unchallenged, Surges reduce the life of your equipment, making everything draw more current and run hotter, burning out motors and frying electronics. Though don't wait till it's too late. Our units are built in a state-of-the-art ISO 9000 certified factory and tested and verified in our UL certified lab. And we stand behind the PS3000 with a $7,500 warranty on all connected equipment. Don't leave your pool equipment vulnerable. Protect it today with the Intermatic PS3000.